Hey guys, we're here on our Project 261 Mako, the Essentials. It's finally complete. The whole package is done and everything came together beautifully. Seadek's in, all the rod holders, the outriggers. The boat's been being fished for a few weeks now. Got about 300 hours on it already, and we couldn't be happier with the final product. So we're here looking at our Seadek. We did this nice dark gray over blue pattern. Seadek put a really cool pattern together for us where they did this laser etching in here. It's something that you don't see too often. It's not the typical teak or diamond pattern. It was really fun working with them to come up with something more unique than what you see every day. So you can see here, we also did Seadek for our bolsters. We did the gray over black, keep it looking clean. It's a 19mm thick. It's real comfortable, real durable. Holds up nice, just a great finished look. So on the floor, we went with the embossed Seadek instead of the brush, just to kind of switch up the pattern a little bit. Real nice on the floor, easy to clean up, fish blood and all that comes right off of it. We also obviously embossed our entire logo into there, the boat's logo, the Essentials. We also put our rulers in there on both sides. We got a 56-inch ruler on both sides. That's probably one of the most convenient things you can ever have on your deck, because I don't know about you guys, but when you're out there fishing, it just seems like you can never find your fish ruler. So we got it right there in the deck. It's always on the boat no matter what, never comes off. So as you can see under our gunnels here, we got all of our sponsors, all the people that helped with this project. And that's another great part about Seadek. You can router in anybody's logos with the triple lamination or double lamination, and it just kind of looks killer, and it's another great versatile aspect of Seadek. For our backrest here on the front seat, we did a triple lam here. It's a black, blue, and dark gray. Obviously, we got the boat's name right in there. Great backrest. We also use that same triple lam for our front seats up here. Backrests on the front seats as well. Just a lot more durable than your normal vinyl product. You know, you can put whatever you want on it, scrub it as hard as you want. It holds up great, and it's plenty comfortable to sit on it. You can order it in different thicknesses, and it really makes a nice product for seats as well. Coming together at the end of this project, what I really loved the most this whole time we were building this boat is we built some of the most outlandish luxury center consoles out there. You know, like building Quintessential, that was something that was an amazing project for us. For a lot of people, that's not really an obtainable center console. It's not realistic, but it's fun for us to build, and it's great for advertisement. But this right here, the love that we get for just an average 28-foot center console, there's probably hundreds of these sitting in people's backyards. You know, you could take 10%, 20% of the budget that Quintessential had in it and pour it into an old 1990 Mako like this and end up with what would look like, you know, a $200,000 to $300,000 center console if you went to try and buy one at the boat show today. So that's what was so much fun about this project. When we're driving it around, nobody believes that it's a 1990. You know, everybody has to stop at the dock, take a second look at it to really talk to us about it. And it doesn't have the exact same lines as all the new modern boats. You can tell it's a classic, but it's got all the essentials, everything that you would get if you went to the boat show and bought a $250,000 28-foot center console. Everything that they come with is in here, and if not better. You know, we have all the best in Simrad electronics, great audio systems, all the Tigris brand new equipment, the same stuff that all these manufacturers sell to the boat manufacturers are in this boat. The bones are fine. There's no reason that boat has to go to the crusher. Always revive something old, and honestly, you end up getting more attention. You can drive around a $250,000 center console up and down the intercoastal and nobody really takes a second look at you. But driving this thing around, it's a head turner. People are constantly looking at it. I think we get as much attention, if not more, on this than even on Quintessential or any other 40+ foot quad engine center console we build. And that's the beautiful part about this project. You can go into it with half the budget of a big center console or a brand new center console and end up with all of the head turning respect that you get driving around on the water out of all the people who see it. Another great feature on this boat is, you know, it's a twin engine boat. Obviously we got, you know, 600 horsepower back here. It pushes this boat great. It runs just as good as any step boat out there with twin engines in this size and weight range. It holds 300 gallons of fuel, but the beautiful part about it is we put 100 gallons in here, go out 20 miles offshore, catch mahi, catch wahoo, go sword dropping, do all that stuff, come back in, and you know, it's tough to even break over 100 gallons in a day. And that's a user-friendly, obtainable center console to go fishing on that is super affordable. So coming to a closing on this project, this was another advertisement project for us, just like Quintessential, but this one was more designed to show you guys that You know, it doesn't have to be a $600,000-$700,000 build. We love doing them. We love doing these advertisement projects. This one was to show that, you know, that old boat in your backyard, that old wore out boat can be revived and brought back to life in a way that you can go as custom as you want. You can call us to just close in your transom. You don't have to go this far. When we build these things, we go all out, wide open from front to back, because it's, you know, it's an advertisement piece. We want to show everything we're capable of doing. But no matter what boat you have, you might have perfectly fine engines, but you got some cracks in the transom. That's the stuff we do on a daily basis. We don't always build every single boat like this from front to back at wide open, no budget, fit and finish, but we can do absolutely anything for you guys. We do it all the time. We got plenty of boats of every brand in there. We're used to working with budgets, whether they're limited or extravagant. We really do it all from bow to stern. There's no boat we can't restore. This is the classic car revitalization of old cars that are head turners. That's coming into the market now. People want to do that. There's so many boats out there. The market's so diluted. It's tough to turn heads in a center console. And you can take your old classic and turn heads because people know those lines. They've been seeing them for 30 years, and all of a sudden they see one that looks brand new, and it makes them think twice, like, man, maybe I got one of those in my backyard that I could restore. Check us out on our website, southfloridaboatcenter.com, SFBC Instagram. Give us a follow along. We try and post a lot about the projects that we're working on at the shop. We'll get better as we go along, post them more and more. There's a lot of really killer projects we're gonna do some video shoots on soon. Get in touch with us anyway, email, phone, website.